Hello, money champion. Welcome back to talktooma.com, our third series of the magic of Wealth Wizard. Today, we're unlocking an extraordinary door in our four-part series, The Enchanted Villa of No Impulse Zone. If you dream of sailing smoothly towards a carefree, secure lifestyle, then you're in for a treat. Ready to discover priceless treasure hidden in plain sight? Let's dive into adventure. Here, we're cracking a special code that will shift your spending from drain to gain. The secret comes with a charming magic key. We call it control. It moves money directly into your debt-free saving account and help avoid impulse spending and keep your savings secure. The secret door to control? Our striking destination on today's journey to tranquility is this spellbinding concept, the secret door to control. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's decipher it together. In the hustle-bustle of our everyday life, it is tempting to spend on fleeting desires. But remember, these small leaks can sink big boats. Imagine your life as a path around an enchanted villa full of distractions. You have the key to bypass the villa and walk straight to your smart money tower, steadfast and confident. Automating your savings is like planning a path around the villa, avoiding distractions. It is the key. Direct a fraction of your earnings to your debt-free saving account day after day, week after week, and your savings will grow, untouched by impulse spend due to the protection that key called control. Let's find that secret doors together. After this video, look for a bank account with the highest interest rate that you cannot withdraw from. Then set up a weekly automatic transfer of 20% of your take-home pay into this new account called debt-free saving account. Remember, it's not about how much you can stash away, but about how disciplined and consistent you can be. Your task for today is to find areas in your life where you might be spending money without thinking. Once you have found these areas, think about how you can stop this from happening without tipping your life upside down, and normally they don't. Remember, you are in control of your money, and you can do it. Now, for a dash of laughter, what did the astronaut say when he crashed into the moon? I apologize. Go ahead and grab your free monthly guide down below. It's always jam-packed with tips and actionable steps to help you build strong money muscle, putting you in the winner's seat with a strong community of like-minded friends around you, all working towards the same goal of building wealth together. Remember to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and leave your questions to share your triumphs in the comment section below. We'll read every one of them. Stay strong, save smart, and we'll see you in the next video.